Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm a licensed life agent, and I've been in the business for well over 20 years. And the question is, what is supplemental life insurance? Well, that's an interesting and a very good question. On the surface, supplemental life is exactly what it sounds like. For instance, let's say you work for a company, and the company provides you a basic life insurance policy of, say, 10 or 15,000, which is pretty average today, okay? However, you have a very large family. You have 3 or 4 kids. Your youngest kid is 2 years old. All your kids you know want to go to college. Do you think 10 or 15,000 is enough? Probably not. Supplemental life insurance would be the life insurance that you purchase on your own or through the group policy that adds to the basic policy you have. So if you have 10 or 15,000 at work and you bought a policy for an additional 200,000, that 200,000 would be classified as supplemental life. I hope that's been helpful. My name is Bill Ray, and I'm helping you build wealth.